Things you can say in the kitchen.
And the bedroom.
Is it in yet?
It would be horrible. That smells wonderful.
Oh, that's so creepy. It's taco night.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna eat that?
I'm not. I hope you do.
Oh my god.
I'm not flexible enough to do that.
Oh my gosh, honey. Of course I want some more.
You gotta preheat it before you stick it in.
Is that all that's on the menu?
Oh. Many have eaten here. Few have died.
Oh my gosh, honey. Oh, that is horrible. Oh, that is horrible. Oh.